my name's Poppy, and I'm a tubaholic. It's a horrible addiction. I used to be normal. Computers were things that screwed up your taxes, put good, hard-working men out of work, you know. Then, one day in 1998, my cassette collection died. Nitric acid fumes attacking the metal oxides, maybe? Could be. Anyway, I was despondent. And one day my wife drugged me to her waste of money, computer, right? Showed me this thing called Napster. Uh-oh. I went from Mr. Neo-Luddite to what Maximum PC calls a power user. In 3 months. Napster folded. I tried Nutella and BearShare and Kazaa. Then I discovered Audio Galaxy. It was great. One day I told Michael, hey, I'd pay $10 a month for what I'm getting free from you now. 2 weeks later, he says, hey, you guys out there, anyone want to become a gold level user at Audio Galaxy? Send me $3 a month. I couldn't get those ones and zeros out of my bank account quick enough. On the gold level user message boards, I had a lot of friends. I was known as a flame warrior, protector of the weak and innocent from the trolls and cyberbullies. Right, well, Audio Galaxy went away. Then I got really deep into alt binary. MP3s, FLACs, there's another lossless codecs for music, oh yeah, AVIs, MPGs, all of the video formats, boom, movies, TV shows, cartoons, if my internet service provider now was charging what the baseline charge back then, sky high bill, but they weren't, but about 100 terabytes between Napster and alt binaries, music, movies, TV shows, cartoons. Yeah. And, YouTube, well, I wandered in there, I was looking for a movie and the link led me there. Well, I'd go in, And last year, got one of them TVs in the living room that'll tune in YouTube, Voodoo, and all kinds of other, right? Started watching. Discovered A-Bomb 79. I needed a Gmail account so I could subscribe to A-Bomb 79, right? Well, That's why my wife's name is on the channel. Hey, I don't care. My tubaholicism has gotten really bad. It's gotten to the point where today, yeah, it's still today, starting at 2 p.m., it's a couple of minutes before the end of today, I binged ClickSprings making that pendulum clock. This is the 4th video I'm shooting today. I posted 2. Number 3, I don't think I'll post. 4 or 5 different sets of FBI agents would be camped around my house. Let's see, one because of the death threats against me, one team because they think I'm some subversive, you know. You know? Just because I talk about money and brain power and how they don't equal each other. Oh, people will be coming out of the woodwork to want to hate, blow me up, you know. So I don't think I'll post that one. And this one, you know, it was bad. My tubaholicism is so bad I have to make it myself. I mean, I can't go out and buy a bottle of, you know, that ain't doing it no more. I gotta cook it up in the bathtub myself. Now, if I just get people to like my vintage, like me, subscribe to me. I'm not even asking for money. Screw that. Good night.